Welcome back to another episode of POTSCAPE. My name is Rye, I'm in the tail end of my room beside Joey. This is a deer bust I've been working on since last week. Maybe I record the end of the progress on this. I was just doing a sketch to see if it was plausible. Wait until you see what I've got for the antlers. Today's episode is not about Joey. I'm going to be focusing on the Hawthorn I've literally just pulled out as of yesterday at the woodlands. The last day of us in the family forest, and subsequently this is the first day of me pulling out potential bonsai specimens to bring back home. I don't go to pull out anything which I probably wouldn't use. It's sat under the canopy of this huge, beautiful hawthorn. I have a sneaking suspicion it's basal growth, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to have a little dig around to have a gander first and clear some of this area, get rid of some of the ivy and the nettle or holly, which is currently stinging my arse like crazy. Let's get this dug up and have a gander. One of my favourite plants is actually hawthorns. I think they make incredible bonsai and I just love their character. I love how they look when they're mature, when they're juvenile. It's beyond me how a plant can look fantastic in any state it's in. I hope that will become quite apparent when I show you what I've just pulled out. Many people probably arguing if I'm pulling hawthorns out of a forest. I'm not doing that forest a favour. So two of the stumps I managed to retrieve come from the path, one of which I kept tripping over and decided it just had to come back with me. A couple of the seedlings I was just pulling out to make way for a new path. Yeah, I'm itching to go because I really need to get these planted. I'm just going to time lapse and just shut up from here on out. So enjoy the video. Please do tell your friends and subscribe and all that jargon which comes with trying to promote something. And enjoy. See you in a bit.